Good afternoon. We're going to go over polygons and circles. So first, let's invoke the polygon command. How many sides do we want? 5. That sounds fine. So let's hit enter. Our first option down here in our command line is edge. So let's go with that one. So we'll click edge. So let's click on the screen, and as you notice, it starts at the edge of the polygon on that one edge, and whatever number I give it, it will be that length. So let's say 10 inches. So if I measure that, that leg should be 10 inches. Okay. Now let's do a circle command. I want a circle to fit inside this polygon. Okay, so let's go with the circle. We've entered the circle command. Down here on your command line, you have several options. You have 3-point, 2-point, tangent, tangent, radius. For this, to accurately put a circle in here, we'd have to hit 3 points. So let's go 3-point, 1, 2, 3. So our circle's in there. And it is that size circle. Okay, so now let's go back to let's draw a 10-inch circle. Okay, this is actually 20 inches. So let's scale that down by 0.5. Okay, so we have our 10-inch circle. We want to put a polygon in that circle. So let's go polygon. 5 sides is fine. So we'll hit enter. And then we do not want the edge, so we're going to hit enter again or click the center. Now we can have the option of clicking the center of this point or wherever. So now we're into the polygon command, so enter. And are we going to use inscribed or circumscribed? Inscribed is going to stay within the circle. Circumscribed is going to encapsulate the circle with the polygon. So let's go with inscribed. See how that worked? Okay, so polygon again. And this time 5 is fine on the side, so we'll hit enter. We're going to skip the edge, so we're going to hit enter again. We're going to click the center point. And it's going to ask, this time we're going to go circumscribed. Notice how last time it went with a sharp point. This time it's dragging the flat point, because the flat point will make sure that it's all that circles within that polygon. So we have gone over. Now let's go over the circle command again. So let's say I want a circle I want an arc, a perfect arc from here. And we could do the arc command or the polyline, because this is perfectly perpendicular to 0 or 90. So let's rotate that where it's not. Now let's try to get a circle or a perfect arc from here to there. So how I do that is I'm going to do the circle command, and I'm going to say 2-point. And it's going to be this point and that point. And I'll trim that out. And now I have a perfect arc. So we've gone over the circle and the polygon command for this week.